Welcome to Cryptocurrent, your source for the latest in cryptocurrency. I'm Olivia Wilson, and today we're diving into the top headlines and trends. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, we've got the insights you need. Let's jump in.
Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the secret of altcoins, those lesser-known cryptocurrencies that hold massive potential. While everyone's talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's the altcoins that often offer unique opportunities for growth and innovation. From advanced blockchain technologies to real-world applications, altcoins are carving their own path in the crypto world. But the real secret? Timing and research. Understanding the market trends and the technology behind each altcoin can make all the difference. Want to learn more? Watch my other videos and stay tuned for more crypto insights.